Hello everyone, Brandon here at Impeccabilities, powered by Kaizink. Today I'm going to be showing you an improvement I have over here on the Cobra, and I actually made this improvement on both presses. I'm just showing you the one. So basically all I did was I pulled this image out from our little textbook that we have here for the machine. Basically I took it out and laminated it so that way we could write on it with dry erase, just showing the last time that we maintenanced the machine. But this is showing you what's required. This is like as required, this is daily, this is weekly. It's showing you everything that needs to be done on this press. But yeah, I just wanted to add a little visual so that way, it's out here instead of having to pull out the book and, go through the pages looking for just what you need. So, point of use. Thank you.